Welcome to the live streaming. Another pretty important day. You can see that today, just we have seen some data came out on GBP, and GBP you can see after that has made a bounce, which is pretty strong bounce on GBP USD. And with that bounce, what I think that we can expect now some bullish momentum on GBP USD. We'll be looking at one by one all of them. If I look at Gbpusd, you can see that this is the 15-minute candle. We might find potential opportunity on Gbpusd. And so looking at on Gbpusd and gold also, we have seen the downside momentum here. Locally, some drop. So I will be primarily looking at Gbpusd, and also will be looking at gold and Euro USD. So looking at XAU USD, the market is almost to the support here. Okay, so you can see that it's an important level of support on XAU USD, and expecting it to drop back below and then to move back to the upside. So we will be looking at one by one to see how we can find trading opportunity. And in the meantime, before I do the full analysis, traders, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. So let's look at to see where is our next opportunity. Thank you. Welcome, and also well done. So looking at British pound US dollar, after this bounce, it's coming back to the support from the 1 hour. We can see that there's a from 4 hour as well, a very strong bull market at the moment, but it's coming for a deeper pullback, which might give us potential another trading opportunity. So you can see that with this bounce, the market is coming back to this support level here, and so that drop might give another opportunity to go long. At the moment, we can see that here downside. Looking at the 5 minutes, strong rejection here on British pound US dollar. We can see that downside on gold as well. It just has gone up for manipulation here, and then return back to the downside. We'll be looking to see where we can find opportunity on this one as well. So I hope that everyone is ready for another big day. I see the likes is still almost 1/5 of the view, so I would appreciate if you smash it to the 50 while the views are going up. That YouTube algorithm likes your likes. So yeah, thanks for it's now pushing up. Thank you. Okay, so you can see that locally, if you look at gold, so local time frame, we can see that gold, there is a bearish price action. Let's see where is we can find our next opportunity. From the 4-hour, it's almost to the 4-hour support level, which is only the thing that we need to look at. We can see that this is a daily price action. 4-hour almost to the support. If you guys are here, let me know. That's an amazing day to trade, as there is GBP been released, and also there is unemployment claims coming on 10:30 p.m. which we'll be covering in this live session. So looking at the 15-minute chart here as well, we can see the market made a bounce. Look at the 1-minute chart. See where it is heading now. From the 1-minute, we can see that there is a pretty strong bounce, and with that bounce, expecting it to drop back to the support. From 15 minutes onward, important support. Okay, we will see a little bit of consolidation here. We will not be looking at the moment. Let's see what's happening with the GBP USD. We see that there is another bounce again on GBP USD. we will be looking to do the full analysis. First of all, I would like to know, traders, which one you are looking at so that we can have a look together. Island Cooking, thank you. Good morning, sir. Happy to be here again. Thanks for joining. Greetings from Muscat. Welcome. More wins today. Hello from Malta. Thank you very much. Hello, sir. Watching from Botswana. Thank you very much. Anthony, welcome. Welcome from Australia. Thank you. Hello, welcome. Hi, Suji. So thank you very much. Love you. Welcome. Welcome, Gbpusd. Good evening. Thank you very much for joining the live session. Absolutely. I appreciate your support to the channel, and traders, make sure that you smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. And also don't forget to join the free Telegram channel as well for more updated education as well as strategies. Okay, so here what you can see in this area, this is where GBPUSD very strongly bull market, and with the news we have seen that GBPUSD basically has got a bounce. So if GBPUSD and GBPJPY as well, we can see that there is a very strong bounce on GBPJPY. Previous session there is massive liquidity candle formation, and that's an important candle that we need to look at. Liquidity candle. By the way, traders, if you don't know what is a liquidity candle, this is one of my favorite trading strategy, as well as it's now available in indicator format. If you are our member, you can get access to that liquidity candle on your chart. Don't hesitate to check out the website link below this video. Now we can see the liquidity candle in all time frame. So if we look at GBPJPY from the, if you look at the 15 minutes and lower time frame, so you can see that GBPJPY after this pin bar, the market managed to bounce, and with that bounce, what we can see here from the lower time frame, the trend is up. So if we closely look at it, we can see that it's in a very strong uptrending market structure on GJ. And if we look at gold, okay, we can see that XAUUSD as well. If you closely look at it, we can see this market also. If you look at the 1 minute chart, pretty strong rejection on the 1 minute as well on XAUUSD. So and you can see lower time frame price action. Okay, so we will be waiting for any opportunity here on XAUUSD as well as on the, if you look at the GBPJPY bullish, and also British pound US dollar, we can see that this one also potentially bullish. We will be waiting for entry opportunity. As soon as we will find that, So if you look at here, you can see this is a pretty strong bullish engulfer with a long wick at the top. Okay, so there is another bullish engulfer followed by a doji. Looking at the 1 minute chart, a big bounce here on British pound US dollar. Again, going back to the gold to see, we have seen that after triple bottom formation from the 1 minute, there is a bounce. So let's see if we can find further bullish momentum. We'll be looking for the best trade setup in the market. Thank you from Jordan, welcome. Love you from Uganda, thank you very much, well done. Let's look at Gbpusd and XAUUSD. Yeah, this is what we are looking at. XAUUSD and also the British pound US dollar. And what we can see here is that from here, strong bounce, and with that bounce, big bounce, and what we can expect in this market from the lower time frame, 15 minutes, I think we might see that. You guys look at it, you can see that I was waiting for this break of structure, so it may come to that level, which is on the 2582 level, or may not come. But I think if it drops to that support, okay, to that liquidity zone, we might see that a pretty strong bounce to the upside on XAUUSD. So if we look at the 1 minute here, locally we can see that there is an inverted head and shoulder formation, and then a very strong bounce with that inverted head and shoulder. Therefore, we can expect for this market to if it breaks below, where we can look for potential trading opportunity to the upside on XAUUSD. So looking at the 15 minute, here is the 15-minute price section. So you can see the market almost, this is a very strong uptrend, the momentum is very high, so this break of structure definitely helpful. But I would be more than happy to see that the price has tested this 2582 before we think of going long. Are you guys with me? Thank you. So looking at again GBPUSD might, because there is a news has been released, it might remain a little bit in a sideway. EURUSD in the same, gold, except gold you can see that it's on the momentum here. So looking at the 15 minutes, (1 minute) looking at. So here is what we can see. This is a pretty strong bounce pullback consolidation here, and with that consolidation, expecting for this market to drop, grab liquidity, and then to bounce back up to create a new higher high. We'll see that where it is heading. Thanks for joining the live session, guys. Give a thumbs up. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Gold is moving back to the upside. We can see some other instrument as well how the market is doing, such as the dollar CAD. We have seen that there is a big drop. There is not much in it. Especially we can see that gold, euro dollar, and British pound US dollar is pretty strongly bullish. Now looking at GBP USD, and so we'll be mainly focusing on GJ, XAU USD, and also with the gold. Thanks for your support to the channel. I see the likes is going up. If you make it to 50 will be helpful, so that we have more people to be able to see the live session. Thank you for your support, and also don't miss out to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. If you like the raining outside and the bird sounds, absolutely give a thumbs up. If you like rain, if you don't like rain, also give a thumbs up. Ultimately we need to like the rain, isn't it? Without rain there's no sun. Okay, so here is again looking at the 5 minutes. Aussie dollar we can see that drop on AUD USD. So looking at lower time frame again, euro, dollar, gold is keep pushing, gold is moving back to the upside with that bounce. As you know that there is news coming. Let's see on that one. So we saw that GBP at 9 p.m. in my zone is published, so we can see that dollar coming at 10:30 p.m., which is unemployment claims, very high impact news. So the forecast on that is 230k. So expecting, if we see that this data has impacted the DXY, if we see the data has come out to be positive for DXY, that means that especially if it is lower than the expected, we may see very good movement on gold as well. So if we look at the DXY, we can see that this is DXY, and there is a drop here on DXY if we delete all those lines. And looking at the daily, this is a massive bearish rejection on the daily time frame. Today we have seen, after the gap open, massive bounce and then rejection. So looking at the 4 hour on DXY and the 1 hour time frame, we can expect now for a pullback, deeper pullback, and then to continuation to the downside. So if you look at the Fibonacci here, 38.2% Fibonacci, that we can expect it to bounce, retrace, and then return back. So if DXY is with the news bouncing back and then dropping, we might see the mirror effect on gold. So gold may come back down and then move back to the upside. So if you look at the 1 minute chart, so this is the 1 minute chart, and wanting to see that it's breaking below and then to trend in that direction. hope that you guys are enjoying the live session. Let me know if you have any question. You can use the live chat. Dollar Yen, so thank you. Watching from Nairobi, welcome. New, which strategy are you using, sir? So currently we are using the best strategy that we are using for ourselves is liquidity candle. Probably guys have seen a video that I posted a couple of days ago on YouTube channel. If you haven't watched that, I would recommend you to watch. So liquidity candle is one of my favorite trading strategy that I'm using. Also I'm teaching the members in the academy. So if you haven't signed up yet, also you can find link below this video in the description. Also stay connected by joining the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video in the description for all the links. Welcome. Thank you. 2574, yeah. Buying gold. I'm from Nigeria. Thank you very much. Welcome. Thank you for your support to the channel. Okay, so here what you can see, an impulse, and this is a channel, bullish channel. From the 1 minute we saw a breakdown, liquidity grab, and then there is a bounce here. Okay, so expecting it to drop to the support. So quite a few rejection here, long wick rejection, long wick rejection, long wick rejection, long wick rejection. So we can see that it is an important level of resistance with a strong rejection. Okay, so here is 4-hour support. I would like to draw the support here on the 4-hour to see where we can find potential entry. Okay, so looking at the 1 minute chart, absolutely important price action, expecting it to break below to the support before it bounces back up. Wanting to see that it's coming back and then to bounce back up. So that's the sign that we might see further local downside here. We might see until the news a little bit sideways movement, as unemployment claim is a very high impact news. We may see significant movement. And thank you for supporting the channel by smashing the like button and also hitting that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Okay, here we can see a rejection. Welcome. Thanks for joining the live session. Are you guys ready for the unemployment claims? So what's your opinion on this unemployment claims? I would like to post what I called pool. Let me ask you guys, what do you think about the upcoming? So how does that impact gold? What do you think that gold is gonna bounce or drop? So with unemployment, so with unemployment claims, what do you think on gold? So is gold gonna be bullish or bearish? So I have posted a poll, guys. Let me know, what do you think about gold? Thank you. Welcome. Sideways movement. Still, we need the news to come up to warm up the market. You can see that there is a bounce and pretty strong bullish move. 1 minute chart, a bounce, and expecting for the market to retest and then to return back to the support. Until we see trend, we have to be patient. As you know that patience is the key in trading. According to J.C. Livermore, the money comes from sitting, not from trading. It's a metaphor for patience. So once you are patient, you know that the market will show its hand. And that's the biggest secret. Every professional trader knows that you have to be patient to become a profitable trader. And also, patience pays off. At the end of the live session, guys and girls, don't hesitate to join the. So wait till the end of the live session for the giveaway as well. So we have giveaway, liquidity candle giveaway at the end of the session. So don't miss out that giveaway. So if you don't want to miss out the giveaway, then don't till the end of this session. There will be giveaway for all them, for those who will be eligible, or for those who will win the competition will get access to the liquidity candle as well as the full lifetime access to the academy. So one lucky winner will get access to that. Thank you. Welcome, guys. And what you can see here on this one on the lower time frame from 1 minute perspective, this is pretty strong bounce, and with that bounce, what we are expecting here is for the market to you can see there is a pin bar here from the 1 hour on gold, and that pin bar might lead that price back to the upside again, as it is a long-term bull market. Okay, so from the 1 minute we can see there is a rejection towards the upside. Get breaking below and then bouncing back to the upside. Right, wanting to see a break of structure, and then you can look for potential entry. And in the meantime, thanks for joining the live session. Let's try to find some try to figure out some peep here. We can see that on XAU USD we can see that bounce, and in British pound US dollar also we have seen that bounce. And we look at the 1 hour, we can see that also very strong bounce. From the lower time frame also you can see that bounce, so pretty strong bullish price action on this one. Welcome, welcome. Patience is the key to be profitable as a trader. Now, looking at also euro dollar, some of the USD pairs, we have only 25 minutes to go for the news to come up. That will definitely will have an impact on XAU USD, and also on XAU USD, as well as in the um, GBP pairs and also USD pairs. So looking at XAU USD, okay, we can see that there is a rejection from the 1 minute. We can see there is a bounce here on XAU USD, and also from the 1 minute, pretty strong movement to the upside. Waiting for the market to break and then to bounce back up. Welcome. And GBPJPY, also we can see that after the candle close, the market showing some bullish momentum. GJ, if the price breaks to this level, that we will be looking for entry on GBPJPY. And if we look at the lower time frame, here as well, we can look for entry opportunity on GJ as well. Thank you. Be patient, guys. We will be looking for entry as soon as we will find that. So looking at again XAU USD, expecting for the market to break in that direction to the support level again. can see here is the bounce, expecting for the market to come back down to the support and then to bounce back up to create a new higher high. We'll see where it is heading. And let's figure out the best opportunity in the market. We'll be waiting for the news to come up in just a matter of 15 minutes. If you guys enjoying the live session, don't hesitate to like this stream. And yeah, let us know what's your opinion. So we got 61 vote on the, so with the unemployment claims, what do you think on gold? We see that bullish 61%, 39% bearish. So we see that market structure is bullish. So we might see that bounce, but we want to see that deeper liquidity gap before it move back up. Prediction Gbpjpy. Good afternoon, Rose. Thank you very much. Gbpjpy. Lonzo, welcome. I changed 25 claims considered significant. Okay. Lonzo, Prolly, John, welcome. Good afternoon, coach, and everyone. Thank you very much. Honestly, it's risky playing against the trend. Yeah, this is always this is the most important part that one must look at when you are trading. 70% of my trading decision comes from the trading with the trend. Trading with the trend is the most profitable trading system one can ever have, because when you trade with the trend, you trade with the flow. Because when you are with the bigger flow, it becomes much easier for you to, even with an error, let's say if you are trading with the trend with a simple strategy, with proper risk management, with bigger profit target, you always be, over the long term, if you can stay disciplined, you're not gonna lose money. At least you can stay break even if you have the right strategy, right risk management plan, right trading psychology. Now trading psychology is most ignored part in trading community. But if you really want to be a consistently profitable trader for long term, you must focus on your trading psychology, developing that, and then looking at bigger picture, which is the key to become a consistently profitable trader. So how do you develop the trading psychology? Well, patience is the first thing that you need to look at when you are trading, and the rest will come later. Thank you very much, Benji. Welcome. 20 minutes to news. So more volume. Yeah, we can see that coming up news in 15 minutes, and then we will be looking for potential entry. So you can see that 1 minute chart, and okay, with the upcoming news, expecting it to come down further. Okay, looking at here on the 1 minute. Now, before the news, we have 30 minutes. I think we might see now short-term downside here. Most likely, we could see a retest, but because it's a very strongly bull market, I always hate trading against the trend, especially against the major trend. But if we see that it's come back down again for another retest, we can look for potential entry. what you can see here, very strong rejection. Okay, so 1 minute chart forming again liquidity candle. I think here if we see enough drop, especially if it is coming back to this order block here with the news, we might find further opportunity. And in the meantime, guys, don't hesitate to join the free Telegram channel for more update, education, as well as trading ideas. You can see bounce. Okay, so this bounce is significant because if we see that it's bouncing back to the upside, we might see that continuation. So you can see the 5 minutes and then 1 minute chart, um, pretty strong bounce. Okay, what we can see here, a rejection expecting for further drop. So this, if it is dropping back to that support, then we can look for bullish opportunity. Expecting for the market to come back below, and after break of this support we can look for potential entry. We have 8 minutes to go for the news to come up. From the 4 hour perspective, we can see if it is with the news coming to the support, it might give us bigger movement to the upside potentially, because there is a very strong bounce, and that might lead the price going back to the upside. So has come back to the support and expecting for the market to move back to the resistance line here, to this level. looking for, we look at the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, series of higher low formation here, wanting to see that moving back up to the resistance line. You guys with me? If you're with me, give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Welcome. Thank you. So we have 4 minutes to go. Let's wait for the news to come up. You can see pretty messy consolidation pattern, but I would still be waiting for a clean trend. When there is a clean trend, that's what you will be able to look for trading opportunity. Are you guys with me? So you can see that here on 5-minute chart on gold, this is an bullish market at the moment, but a little bit choppy. We need to see clean trend, and that might happen after the news. Let's quickly look at also British pound US dollar with the news. Gbpusd, we'll see that to drop back to the support and then to bounce back up. Okay, so waiting for a big drop here. expecting for the market to most likely we could see a retest and then bounce back up. That's a massive drop. As I mentioned, there is a gap open, and with that gap open, so let's see how the data has come out. So if you look at US unemployment claim is quite important data. So we can see that it's 219k, which is good for DXY, and that's why we saw that downside on gold because of, and then we'll see what in fact this drop, how much it is coming. I think that it may not be very strongly bearish. We might see instead a potential bounce. If it is dropping to the 2582, which is the daily support, very important support level. Now the trend on gold is not very impressively bullish or bearish, but this break here on the 1 minute chart, you can see there is a narrow candle formation. So it may have a drop ultimately. If the trend changes, we might see significant movement. We need a very strong volatility for potential entry. So if we look at the euro dollar, we can see that euro dollar from here a complete bounce, and expect, we can see that here also euro dollar to the coming to the support daily. It is also a bull market on the daily. From the 4 hour as well, we can see pretty strong bull market. And if we look at again gold and Gbpusd, so all of them coming to an important support. Gbpusd as well, you can see that it's coming to the support that might give another entry opportunity on British pound US dollar. I would like to look at again gold to see. I think we might see a test of this support. Okay, so here locally, we can see that the local trend is down, expecting it to come back to the support. As soon as you will find that entry, you will be looking to see. And with the Gbpusd, but we can see that okay. Now the break on gold is quite significant, we can see that. Let's see if there is any change of trend. Welcome. And also guys, stick till the end for all the education, as well as we'll have a giveaway of the liquidity candle. Thank you. See you soon. Buy limit, welcome. Sir, can you tell us what are the conditions on which you will take a trade? Okay, so to know the conditions of entering into the trade, one must have, like, one should have a rule-based trading strategy. That's what I use to trade the market. If you have a rule-based trading strategy, you know that, you know what should be the entry condition. So if you don't have a rule-based trading strategy, then I would recommend you to stick till the end of the live session. And also you can visit our website as well if you want to learn the strategy that I am trading, or you can find plenty of free strategy as well on the web. So the only thing that you need to keep in mind is that when you are using the free strategy, you need to back test it properly. So it is very important to back test a strategy if you are using um, any strategy. Thank you. Minutes liquidity, it's like, yeah. Thank you for joining, and so really appreciate your support to the channel. So you can see here with this drop, this is the 1 minute chart, and with 1 minute chart, what we can see, the price trying to break below. From the 15 minutes also you can see a very strong bearish price action. So if we look at that here. Doji formation on the 1 minute, and we can see that. Okay, break of structure. We look at British pound US dollar, we can see that there is also British pound US dollar has formed also bearish price action. Okay, so here euro dollar, and we can see that in this area as well, gold from the lower time frame. Again, looking at XAU USD in this area. So you can see that gold 15 minutes here as well. Gap open and pretty strong drop. Daily chart, from the daily also we can see that I think that if we see the price coming a little further downside, this may give us potential further opportunity, as it has managed to break below. We can see that it's at the moment bearish. So if we delete that line, that line, So you can see that it's trying to break below, and here we could catch a couple of pip, but before that we need to find proper candlestick pattern. So there is a liquidity candle here. Thank you. Okay, so you can see a complete breakdown, not giving any entry opportunity yet. So you can see here strongly bearish market. The moment from the 15 minutes also bearish. So looking at 1 minute. So looking for suitable entry. If we see that break of structure, the market already in the support level. From the intraday perspective, we can see the price already well below from the daily as well. It's a sharply falling market. Look at the 1 minute, and after this pin bar, we'll be waiting for the market to move up. Okay, we can see there is a potential for, yeah, so you can see that there is a potentially bearish price action in that area. Okay, so looking at 1 minute chart, for us to find an entry, you look at here, you can see that it's a sharp drop from the lower time frame. An absolutely bearish market at the moment, and for an entry, if you guys are here, okay, so we can see a little bit of pullback. This is what waiting on for the pullback properly before we look for any entry. So 5 minutes, this is the current resistance on the lower time frame. We might need to target very smaller numbers. So we can see this is also 1 minute candle forming with a liquidity trigger. approaching to the resistance line. Okay, here if we look at 28 pip, I'll be looking for a sell stop here below this structure, stop loss above this high. If the market managed to break below, also Gbpusd, you can see that very highly bearish. Eurusd, okay, I'll be going with the we can see that gold is currently, so we'll be placing a sell stop in that area, and with that sell stop, how many pip? So you can see that 45 pip stop loss, and so I'll be placing a sell stop here. If it managed to break below, then only will be entering into the trade for the trend continuation, otherwise you will remain. We see already big move made to the upside, therefore I will be readjusting the sell stop in this area, stop loss above this high, TP target 221. So we'll be placing sell stop 2575.58. Didn't trigger yet. Look, I think that we might see again another we'll leave it there, sell stop at 2575.58, sell at 2579.53, TP at 2568.04. So we place the sell stop here. Yep, so I got triggered. I've got triggered with the sell stop and stop loss at 2579. Five, three, five. Very tight stop loss, and see if we can see another rejection towards the downside in this quick movement, though it is already the trend is very exhausted. Make sure guys you open in a demo account or do proper risk management. It's only for educational purpose, so uh, it's very important that you always keep in control of your risk. So here is my trade is active on XAU USD. Wanting to see because it's a very strongly falling market, expecting to create a new lower low. Okay, so we are catching some peep here. Let's see. Expecting for the market to break below to create a new lower low. Thank you. So want to see that it's breaking below. Wanting to see that now if it is reversing, that will be a different story, but still um, okay, here I think we might see now another retest, but expecting because it's a sharply falling market. Okay, 5 minutes. I would keep still I'm on the trade. Okay, so now the market just has broken that high. I'm still hopeful that we might see rejection, which might not be because the market bounced. Let's see where it is heading. um, okay, here what we can see, narrow doji. Okay, this is still alive. This trade is still alive and expecting for the market to break below to see where it is heading. We are nearing again entry now. I would keep 1 or 2 pip above, just for because the market rejected. I'm still expecting for the market again to come back down, as it is a falling market. Hope that guys you are enjoying the live session. Make sure you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Okay, so we might see I'm stopped out. So we are out on this trade. On XAU USD, we are minus 40 pip. Top text. So we are minus 40 pip, and we'll be waiting to see where next opportunity comes. Thank you very much. Which best time frame? Daily low, yeah. Okay. So basically, after this drop, the market just failed to return. It happens sometime. So we are stopped out on that. Thank you. Okay, let's see on. So all the instrument, euro dollar, British pound, US dollar, we can see pullback. XAU USD. So probably after this drop, we have lost the momentum, and sometimes the price action very confusing. Okay, we might see again return. That's how the market does. It just make a move and then returning back. Fifteen minutes on gold. This is a bounce, an unusual bounce we can see, and we look at the 1 hour. Okay, here what we can see, big drop, it might now return back to the upside. I am on buy, so you're buy. It just after the candle close return back in the major direction of the trend, so you might if we see that drop back again, then with the major trend we can look for further entry. First let it drop back to the support again. Okay, so here I will be again placing another buy stop. As we can see, if it return back to the upside only we will be re-entering, otherwise we will be not entering anymore. And if it bounce, then we might see to retest the resistance line. So we will be placing buy stop above this level. If it breaks this swing high, so buy stop at 2582.83, stop loss at 2578.60, TP target 2590.02. We place the buy stop, and if the market change the trend, we might see if break this swing high, then we will be entering into the trade. So you can see that buy stop, I placed that, and let's see if the market return back to the upside. We can expect to fill the gap here on the 5 minutes. If we look at there's a gap, and if it is returning back to the upside, then we might see that going back to the fill that gap. So we place that buy stop and waiting for the market to return. Now the way the market has formed, I will move my buy stop a little downside here, because so that we can catch a little better opportunity, putting the stop loss a little below, just readjusting the buy stop, because if it breaks here it may continue to rise. So I'll place my stop loss, yeah, the same pip, 242 pip in that area. So readjusting the buy stop again. So the new price on buy stop at 2581.538. So stop loss will be at 2577.258. So new adjusted buy stop at this level. Buy is too low. How can it be buy is too low? You guys can hear me. So expecting we place a new adjusted buy stop. So we adjusted the buy stop to be at 2581.538. Stop loss 2577.25. TP target 2590. As you can see, there is a gap here. So if the market change the trend, we can expect for the market to fill that gap to the upside. Thanks for joining the live session, guys. Hope that you are enjoying the live. Make sure you always stay in control of your trading account by doing the proper risk management. I hope that voice is now well. We'll be waiting for the market to return back to the upside with this new entry order. So euro dollar also, you can see that trending. Okay, what we can see here, so gold has broken below, and now from this support break we would like to see if it is bouncing back up again. We will be keeping our buy stop in the same place to see if the market is returning to the gap level. And also at the end of the session there is a giveaway, guys, so don't miss out any part of this live session. There'll be giveaway for the liquidity candle as well as the mentorship, one mentorship program, as well as the liquidity candle. If you want to enter into the competition, then don't miss out to enter into the competition. You can see that break, and so we had, after grabbing massive liquidity, just started to break again. So that means that we might see continuation of the downtrend further, and okay, the price action here is again we see that continuation. So it was a manipulation here to the upside, and we can see the market trending in that direction again. We'll be waiting for further entry opportunity. Okay, we can see a reaction here. Let's see where it is heading. We might see that weak fill. Okay, our buy stop will be in the same place, because if we see that this high is broken, we can expect an upside trend continuation to the upside. Okay, we need to, I will be readjusting the pending order again, just to increase our probability. I'll be moving the buy stop in that level, stop loss below this low. So the new adjusted buy stop will be at 2579.39, just to increase our probability. So newly adjusted buy stop 2579.39. And stop loss 2575.07. So newly adjusted buy stop here, and then the stop loss also adjusted 2575.0, which will be 42 pip again. So stop loss will be at 2575.07. So this is what will be, this is a new adjusted buy stop. By the way, I got triggered with the gold trade as well. So I am on with the gold trade. My trade is triggered. So if it is bouncing, then it will be, I'm on with the gold trade. It's a little bit of tight stop loss, but this is what I will be keeping. See, if it bounced from here, if it managed to remain bullish, then we could see that gap retest, unless big boys are very hungry again. So we need to see a nice trend. Okay, that's dodgy, and wanting to see that moving back up with a stronger momentum. Now, if it is a reversal, then we should be able to see a significant movement. Come on, not a reversal. Okay, so you can see here dodgy, and we will be looking to see bounce. So expecting it to bounce to the resistance line. So if it is a reversal, that will be awesome, and then we can look to see that it's going back to the liquidity zone. Especially this gap has not been tested. If the market managed to bounce, we might see that going back to the gap. Not better be. So that's where we can see 1 minute candle, and Okay, we can see that it's a pretty strong bounce and expecting it to move back to the upside. Wanting to see that it's moving up to the liquidity zone, to the resistance line. Okay, so yeah, if this is a clear reversal, we'll be holding it for quite a few pips, so we can cover the previous one plus getting some new pip. And let's see, because if it is starting that reversal, that will take us to the upside. Thank you very much. Welcome. Not able to hear my voice? You guys not being able to hear my voice? Should be able to hear my voice. Let me know if you. I think I was a bit far from my voice. So we can see potential reversal, which is strong bull market. And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed yet, I would recommend you to do so. I do post a lot of content, including educational content, live analysis, live discussion every single day. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Okay, we can see a potential trend. Okay, so here is 15 minutes doji, potentially doji, which is a bullish market structure for me. If the candle close like that, even as a red narrow doji, can expect an upside bias. Now the only thing that we need to make sure that it's getting upside. looking at the 15 minutes, and very weird trending market structure. Come on, today not a very good day for entering. So we got to trade and trigger. We have to let go for today. I'll be going to the giveaway section for the liquidity candle, and then so you can write the keyword liquidity. You can write the liquidity in the live chat to enter into the competition. So the market might remain just notoriously bearish. It might just drop back to the support again. So you can write that liquidity to enter into the competition. So we got 4 eligible members for the competition. Thank you. So ultimately it might reject, but just before that it didn't cover that move. So you can see still showing bearish price action. So 15 minutes was a liquidity candle. So you can see gold still struggling to bounce. We can see 11 eligible members for the giveaway. You can write liquidity in the live chat to enter into the competition. So we still can keep pushing to the market to see Thank you. And we found how many members? We found 14 eligible members in the competition. You still can enter into the competition by writing that keyword. Welcome, welcome. Thank you. And we'll be taking few more members before we roll it. You can see gold is still showing some kind of bearish price action here. I think we might see a change of trend, even the way the price action is forming. There is a probability for a change of trend on gold. Write liquidity in the live chat to enter into the competition of the giveaway. So we see 15 eligible members. So we'll be rolling it up from this, and then we'll be jumping on the next day for another one. So I'm rolling it. Laxmikant Mankeshwar. Laxmikant is today's winner of the liquidity candle. So Laxmikant, you can use the website link to send us message about your winning. And once you are, so you can find website link below this video, and once you visit the website, use contact us page to let us know that you are the winner of the liquidity candle. So with that said, thank you very much for joining this live session. I'll see you again, traders, trading live again together tomorrow. Until then, stay well, stay happy.